This is a certified pre-owned 2007 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-new tires. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a four-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, a chrome grille, an anti-lock braking system, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has less than 61,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 3-month 3,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Regan Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 501 Broadway in Haverhill.